Well, we've all dealt with this and wondered about what's down there. You can't quite see it, but a whole lot of everything you don't want. Well, how do you get that out? New vacuum, old vacuum hose, a little sniper, and a little self-made tool. The phone's gonna focus on the close stuff, but I don't know if you can see down there all that blue felt. There it is. Big clump. Fire hazard. So again, I got my mess. I'll fire this up and I'll vacuum that out. Well, all done with that. Yeah, nice and clean down there. Again, it's blurry, but you can see all that blue's gone. Now she'll dry a lot quicker. And no more fire hazard.